Today, we will do a recap of trading sessions in boring and not exciting markets. I will go through everything again with a top-down analysis and cover all the basic points that you can ever need. Okay, no more useless talk, let's go back to the business. Today, I want to do something different, talking about Euro USD. I noticed combining classic smart money concepts with momentum scalping techniques giving great results in all the markets. As usual, we will be using our ICT high time frame candles indicator to spot possible entry locations. If you notice here in the 2-hour time frame, the rally starts with Euro USD right here, the early rally. Later on, price gets a break and pullbacks and dips into two little imbalances from 30-minute and 1-hour charts. And if you look at the 45 minutes, who do you think is the dominant side? Notice the bottom, momentum imbalance, the bullish side imbalance. Notice the green candles in a row. Obviously, buyers are mainly dominating these mid-time frames in the Euro USD today. Now, on the left side, I have opened the 1-minute time frame to see the low time frames in clear price action. This yellow circle indicates where the price dipped into multi-time frame imbalances. Notice this area of perfect support and resistance flip point. Notice how the price rejects the area 4 times before in a row. And once it's broken, it is used as a resistance, right at the point of our multi-time frame imbalances. If everything is clear enough, let's talk more on the smart money side this time. This top area is our previous day high as our institutional liquidity point. If you remember the masterclass, I have said many times, smart money loves to get close to these areas, but dropping back to create some liquidity. This is exactly what happens here, a parabolic inner liquidity created right before the previous day high was taken out. Now, let's get closer in the area and talk even further. Now, we know that this is a perfect example of SR Philip zone, also a point of multi-time frame imbalance taps. Plus, we are in the very nice optimal trade entry zone as well. From now on, the rest of the move is simple smart money concepts, structure breaks, and imbalance-based entries. Notice how the structure keeps breaking until it takes out the previous day high. This gives you 3 times 2-hour setup chances. If you miss one, you can take the other one. So, what happened here? Let's go step by step with price action again. In mid-time frames, we used our ICT high time frame indicator to spot a possible entry point. We noticed these multi-level imbalance taps and we decided to observe the area further. Then we learned that it is an area of perfect support and resistance flip location, combined with an inner optimal trade entry location. The rest was classic smart money entry setups, which you probably have seen like a million times by now in this channel. I think this Euro USD was a magnificent example of how can we combine classic smart money concepts with momentum scalping together. Okay folks, very cold and snowy day here. Please take care of yourself and see you in the next video. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested,